Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my Sunmi Noir inspired design. Start off by painting all of your nails with a sheer polish. The one that I'm using has a tinge of pink to it. Use a blue polish to write "like" on the first nail. Seal in your design with a top coat. Take a piece of tape and fold it in half. Use cuticle nippers or small scissors to cut out half of a heart shape on the folded edge. Unfold the heart and place it onto the center of your nail. Cut out 2 more small hearts and place them around the larger heart. Apply a reddish pink polish to a makeup sponge and carefully dab it around the hearts. Use tweezers to remove the tape. Use a blue polish and the same pink polish as before to add little hearts around the edges of the nail. Seal in your design with a top coat. Make an X with beige polish. Thicken the lines, making sure the ends are rounded. Use a tan polish to add shadows to the 2 band-aids. Make a tan L shape at the center of the 2 band-aids and then fill in the rectangle above it with a light beige. Close the rectangle with white polish. Add 6 brown dots to each side of the band-aids. Seal in your design with a top coat. Use a dark purple polish to write "dislike" across the nail. Seal in your design with a top coat. Make a heart with yellow paint or polish. Add shadows with a darker yellow. Use black to write "Noir" in Hangul inside of the heart. Seal in your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!